back to my channel. My name is Rachel and I love to create and experiment. And if you're new here, welcome to the family. So today's video, I am going to be showing you how to make 3 different DIY no seal face masks. They are simple, cheap, and very easy to make. No stress at all. But before we get right into the video, as usual, let's have a very important family meeting. If you know you're not subscribed to this channel, why exactly are you not subscribed? I'm listening. No reason at all. So please subscribe button is somewhere down here. Please be sure to press that subscribe button, and also do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, please. Thank you so much, guys. So let's just get right to the video. So for DIY 1, this is a no seal face mask with handkerchief, and these are the materials that you're going to need, and obviously your folding skills. So if you don't know how to fold, I don't know how exactly I can help you in this situation, but this is very simple and easy. I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step how to fold this into a no seal face mask. So the good thing about this particular DIY is that it is easy, and you could actually put different layers of filters if you like. It is also very breathable, which is very important. So for the second DIY, we're going to be making a no seal face mask using socks. Yes, your regular socks will work. So the materials that you're going to need for this one is just socks and a pair of scissors. So the first thing you want to do is fold your socks into half, or less, or a bit less than half, depending on how big your face is. You're going to snipe through it. Then you're going to cut through the top of it again. After which, you're going to fold the socks again. Then snipe a bit. Don't cut all the way through, just a bit, because you want to create space and holes for your ears. So if you use a very thin socks, I advise that you also include a filter. So for this one, I'm just going to be including a filter, and for the filter I used a makeup wipe. I just left the makeup wipes to dry and I folded it to create a filter. For the third DIY, this is a no-seal face mask with fabric, and these are the materials that you're going to need. So the first thing you want to do is get a template. So the best way to do this is just get a flat plate to create a round template. Start cutting through. I then folded it into 2, then into 4. Now you're going to cut through on both ends, folding into 2, cut through, then folding into 4, cut through. So you're only going to glue the curved edge together. So we're going to take both sides and glue them together. After that, you're going to turn it inside out. Then you're going to fold all the edges around. After folding all the edges around, I just added the band.
Guys, if you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Subscribe button is somewhere down here. Also, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you have comments, leave them in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys, peace.